Welcome to Yulia's tutorial. I am Yulia and today I am going to show you how to fix the animation on custom furniture. Now, a furniture object is an object that has an animation attached to it. That animation has to be in the correct place, otherwise it will just look wrong, like your character will lay on the bed in the wrong direction, or it will sit inside a couch or instead of just on it. The thing is, normally when you copy an item it will be exactly the way that the original item was, but with beds, as soon as you attach a new NIF or model to it, it will change the settings. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. For this I'm going to show you how to put a custom bed I've already made into the game. Now I'm going to assume that you already have your custom textures or custom models. If not, this is not the tutorial for you, because this will just show you how to fix the animation bit. I'm going to copy the big double bed from the pre-war player house. To find this for beds, you go with workshop and PC bed. There it is. There is another furniture object for the player house bed. It doesn't start with workshop. You want to choose this one because this one is already pre-made to act in exactly the same way that the other buildable objects work. It will count towards the bed count and stuff like that. Alright, so when you look at this, you see two people sleeping on the bed. They can only get to the bed from their own sides, which is perfect. This is the way we want it. Well, we're going to copy this one by basically changing the ID, press OK. Want to create a new form? Yes. Otherwise it will just change the name of the original one, and that we don't want. I always go with my initials and an underscore in the beginning of my files, because basically when I put that in the filter it will show up all the objects I already made for my mod. I encourage you to do the same. This is the one I just made. It's still the original bed. We're going to change that now. Not couch, bed, double bed. We'll go with the clean pink one. Alright. This is what it looks like. I'm going to press OK. And then you see the icon resetting. Well, we don't actually want our character to lay in the bed like that. So we're going to have to change that. Have to fix that. This is the active marker. This is the marker that is already here. So we need to reposition this one. To do that, first we're going to rotate it to have his feet to the bottom of the bed. We're going to lower him down slightly so that his head will end up on the pillow and not his shoulder. And now we have to move him to the side of the bed, because otherwise a second one won't fit. There we go. Now, if you see these markers, this is where the animation will start. Well, we can't start in the middle of the actual bed, so we're going to remove that one. That's the right one. There we go. That is one perfectly positioned animation. Now we've got to add the other one because this is a bed for two, and we're going to add a new one. You do that by right clicking in the free space and then click on new. You double click on it to make it actually appear and active. Alright, so this one is basically a copy of this one when it started out, so we're going to do the same thing to this one. Position him right, lower him slightly, and now the other one we made minus 35. This one we're going to do plus 35. Doesn't work in every object, but in the bed it does. So now it's positioned here, and we've got to remove that marker. So we're going to get rid of the left one. Alright, well, this is what it's supposed to look like. So we're going to press OK. That is that one done. Alright. It basically works the same for any other furniture item you want to make or copy. Gonna do a little couch to show that. I'm gonna go with the, you know, the nice red couch that comes with the game. NPC player house. I did something wrong. Oh right, NPC couch player house. There we go. This is the pre-war one. Yeah, we don't want that one. We want this one because this is actually buildable. Alright, there we go. 2 people sitting on the couch. We're gonna rename it. Press OK. Create a new form. Yes. And go back to my list. There we go. The couch. Alright, and we're gonna change the actual model. Well, I've got a list of couches I already made. I'm gonna go with the blue one, couch blue clean. Well, the old one already had 2 models on it. Well, if I do this, bam, one of them disappears and the other one moves. So we're gonna set this right. Well, it's a little bit, his calves are basically inside the couch, so we're gonna move him forward just a tad. We don't have to rotate him, move him up or down. We just have to reposition him. I'm gonna try 40, maybe not, 35. Yeah, looks about right. We don't want him to access from the rear. Alright, that's one positioned icon. Right click, new, double click to activate. Move him forward just a tad as well. Don't rotate him, and we're gonna move him, oh, wrong way. Yeah, that looks about right. Get rid of the rear, and okay. So that's how you position the animations on a furniture object. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, at least for the first couple of weeks. I will try and respond to your question if I know the answer. And I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Bye!